Hey, thanks for joining us. My name is Robert Geller with InstanTek, and this is an InstanTek 30-second tech tip. Today's tech tip will show you how to back up your laptop or desktop onto the cloud and onto an external hard drive using CrashPlan Pro. CrashPlan Pro is a great product, as you can see on my screen. This is the company that makes it, called Code 42. They have a business version and they have a personal version. Today we're going to actually focus on the business version because my company, InstanTek, provides IT support to businesses, so that's what we're most familiar with. But the personal product is also available, and you can go to the products page on their website, which again is code42.com, and you can see the options here. SharePlan is a new product they've released. We're not going to talk about that in this video, but CrashPlan is a great product, and again, you can go to either the home or the business. So let's go to the business, and let me show you what this is all about. CrashPlan gives you continuous backup on every version of every file, as you can see here, laptops, desktops, and it's literally continuous backup. So every few minutes, CrashPlan will see what's changed on your computer, and it will actually upload those changes to the cloud, to CrashPlan's secure private cloud, as well as, if you'd like, to copy those same files to an external hard drive that you've configured as well. So you can actually have two forms of backup using one program. You can even set up CrashPlan to back up onto another computer, for example, someone else in your office or a server within your office. So you can actually have three backups, which is amazing. So if you really want that redundancy, this is a great solution. It's continuous backup. And let's go show you the pricing here, just so you have an idea. Now, we don't sell CrashPlan. We're not in this to make money from CrashPlan, but this is a tech tip to show you how to do it. How we make our money, of course, is the services, but let me just show you a little bit about the pricing here. Public cloud is what you're going to generally use, and that's over here. So it's $10 per device per month. That's unlimited storage, unlimited file size, unlimited version. So it's a little more expensive perhaps than some other solutions. But really, if you have a business, think about how important your data is. If you lose your data, let's say you just lost contracts, you lost proposals you're working on, you lost projects you're in the middle of, thousands of dollars, in projects that you've just lost that work. Literally, losing your data can put you out of business. And I'm sorry, that can sound a little harsh and a little scary, but that's really the reality of it. They've done studies, they've shown data loss is extremely risky for your business. So I think it's worth the $10 per month to have that peace of mind, and really you're getting a best of breed solution here with CrashPlan Pro. So let me show you here. You can get a free trial if you click on Try It Free. What you're going to do is you enter your information, and then you're going to hit Submit down here. So now that you've signed up and you press submit on the previous form, you're going to see this screen that says success. You're signed up for a free trial of CrashPlan Endpoint Backup in Code 42's public cloud. Okay, so we're going to press sign in. So now that you've created your account, you're going to sign in to the console. So you're going to enter your username or email, which was the one that you used in the previous step. Enter your password, press sign in. And now you're going to be in the console. This is where you can create and control all of your users, devices, settings, manage all that centrally. So you can actually manage your whole company's backups from one dashboard, which is amazing. And you're going to get this pop-up that says, which OS are you using? Now, in my case, I'm using Mac. So I'm going to click on the Apple icon. It's going to download the client down here. And once this is downloaded, you're going to open it up and you're going to install it. And it's very easy to install. See here, now this is again, we're using a Mac right now, but on a Windows, it's going to be pretty much the same. So you're going to see here, CrashPlan Pro, click on install. Just a normal program, you're going to click install. It may prompt you for administrative credentials to install CrashPlan. Press continue. All the default settings are fine. Press continue. Install for all users. Of course, right now I think it's computing whether I have enough space. Okay, press continue, install, and it may ask you for your password for credentials, administrative credentials. And then you can see the installation was successful. It's going to start the program, press close, you see CrashPlan starting up. And once CrashPlan is started, it's going to give you the option of configuring CrashPlan. And so it's going to do a little bit of work initially here. You're going to have to basically set up your backup destinations, restore settings, general settings here. It's going to show you your history, and you can configure destinations. So let's actually go to destinations, even though it's the last tab here. We're going to configure where it should back up to. So you can choose computers, whether you want to back up to other computers. If you had other computers in the CrashPlan network and that had this CrashPlan installed with your organization managing it, you would see those computers. So you can actually back up to other accounts. As you can see here, it says install CrashPlan on another computer using your account. Folders, you can select which folders you want to back up to. This is great if you have an external hard drive. It would show up here. You can choose that. And then cloud, naturally, you're going to keep this enabled if you want to back up to the cloud, which is, of course, very important because that is really one of the main selling points of CrashPlan. So this apparently had some issues connecting. I'm going to click retry, make sure it can get to the CrashPlan server. And once we've done that, we're going to configure the backup settings. So here it says, here's where you select which files you want to back up. So you're going to click select under the files. You're going to select, for Mac, I recommend just select your entire user folder. So that would be Macintosh hard drive, users, and then your current folder is good because it has all your documents, your every desktop, pretty much everything you need. It may not have certain things, preferences files, those are going to be in the library. You can't back those up, but you may run into issues with permissions and things like that. So unless it's mission critical, that you have your application settings, everything like that, I really recommend just selecting your user folder. And if you have multiple users, of course, you can just select all of them under the users folder. Once you've done that, you're going to press save. For right now, I'm just going to choose, for the sake of this example, because it does take a while once you add them, I'm just going to choose documents. I'm going to save. And then this is actually automatically going to start backing up once this connection is made. You see here it says it's scanning, trying to figure out how much data it is. But then up here, the destinations, it's showing CrashPlan Pro server waiting for connection, and that is going to take a couple of minutes to resolve. And then after that point, you can actually, it'll start automatically uploading your entire document folder, whatever you've configured on here to back up. It'll automatically start doing that continuously, run in the background, so if you change anything in that folder, it'll have the latest copy. So that's really the main selling point. So thank you so much for watching today's tech tip. I hope you found it very useful and you're now able to back up your company's computers using CrashPlan. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments section and I'll be glad to help where I can. Thank you so much. Have a great day. So again, my name is Robert Geller with InstanTek. We offer IT support and Google Apps training and support and migrations to businesses all around the country. And also, if you enjoyed today's tip, please consider taking a look at our other tips below and also subscribing to our email newsletter. You'll get tech tips in your email inbox several times per week. So thank you so much again and have a wonderful day.